In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate a local garden center. If you've ever walked into a local garden center, you might be a little confused or maybe a little bit worried about where to go, how to ask questions, who to ask questions to. At garden centers, which is where I've worked for over 18 years, we use a lot of lingo and different terms that maybe might confuse customers. And so I want to give you some of that lingo and some of the tips and tricks to shopping a garden center. No matter what size a garden center might be, it can be confusing. Let's get into the departments. I think a lot of people that work at garden centers, like myself, use departments and the names of those departments a lot. So I want to run through the most commonly used department names that most garden centers use. First is going to be trees and shrubs. Trees and shrubs is going to be like the bones of your landscape. We're talking evergreen shrubs from conifers to boxwoods to hollies, all the way to blooming shrubs like butterfly bush, gardenias, roses, to trees. So of course you've got trees that are Japanese maples that could get any size from 5 feet to 20 feet. So we're going to use some of those terms in trees and shrubs, but trees and shrubs typically, if you're coming in and you're starting a landscape idea, maybe you're redoing the front of your house, that's typically where we're going to recommend that you start. The next is going to be annuals and perennials. Annuals and perennials, they typically kind of mesh a little bit, and I think it's really important to understand the difference between annuals and perennials. Annuals, we're going to plant annually. We're going to plant them every single year, which you might say, well, what's the benefit of that? Well, the benefit is they bloom from the time that you plant them all the way until the point where they go away and you replant something else. Perennials are going to add value. So you only plant a perennial once and they should keep coming back for you year after year. And each year they're going to get bigger and bigger. Now most perennials are going to go dormant. Some people might say in a garden center they're going to die off. They don't die. They just go dormant. They take a little slumber, a little sleep in the winter, and they're going to the top foliage is going to kind of decay and you're going to cut it off. But perennials come back each year. Now there's other departments like houseplants. We use houseplants as a very common term here. It doesn't mean that that plant has to live in the house. It means it's tropical in nature. And so you might hear some garden centers say, that's our tropical selection. Now tropicals sometimes work their way into annuals too, so it can be confusing. But tropicals or houseplants are really plants that we have found that grow indoors pretty well. Now they may require different light arrangements and different things like that, so having that kind of information when you come into the garden center really helps us diagnose which plants might work best for you. Now of course you've got Deco and Patio. So Deco is decoratives, so it's going to be like your statuary, fountains, pottery, things of that nature that you're going to decorate your outdoor landscapes, your patios, and in the landscape with. And then of course, patio is going to be your patio furniture, umbrellas, sets of patio furniture, whether it's deep sitting lounge sets or dining sets that you can set outside. These make great pieces in sunrooms as well as screened-in porches. And then of course, garden pharmacy, garden supply. What does that mean? That's where we're going to diagnose your problems, where you're going to get your weed killers, your insecticides, fungicides. We'll talk to you about mulch, soils, and different ways to feed your plants. That's just kind of a general idea of how most garden centers, especially local garden centers, are set up. I hope this helps you navigate your local garden center. Comment below and stay tuned for more videos to come.